Hey there guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix headphones that aren't working on Windows 11. First, we need to go into Settings, then head over to System and click System. Click on Advanced System Settings. Here, click on Provision and then click on Device Installation Settings and select No here. After that, click Apply and Save. Next, we need to go into Services. Let's open up Services. And here we need Performance Logs and Alerts. Right-click on it, choose Properties, and here select Automatic Delayed Start, then click the Apply button. Then hit OK. Next, come back here and click the Start button. There you go, it's started. This process has started for us. Then right-click on Start, then click on Device Manager. Here, select our audio control, or actually, our audio controller. Yes, you select yours here. For me, it's high-definition audio devices and a Fi-Fine microphone. Right, but you'll choose your own. Right-click, go to Properties, Drivers, click Update Drivers, select Find Drivers automatically, and then choose Find Drivers through Windows Update. If it finds drivers, update them, then restart your computer, and it should work. That's it. I've been with you. Goodbye, everyone.